to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? In this video, I show you how exactly to get started without any upfront cost and without any fancy equipment. Let's get started. Okay, so what is a faceless YouTube channel? It basically means a YouTube channel that doesn't show the creator's face, and it relies basically on voiceovers, stock footage, and animations. It also relies on AI generated content as well as screen recordings. And so how does YouTube automation work? It refers to outsourcing or using AI tools to streamline content creation, publishing, and monetization. So I will talk about 4 steps to starting your own faceless YouTube channel, and I'll start with content strategy and niche selection. So basically I'll talk about the best niches for faceless YouTube channels, and I'll mention finance and investing, and tech reviews, and motivational content, top 10 lists, and AI and future trends, horror and mystery narrations, educational and how-to videos, as well as gaming highlight. So you can go ahead and choose your niche from the topics I listed, the niches I already listed. Now, the next step to take when starting your faceless YouTube channel is that of content creation workflow, and this can be automated or outsourced, and so I'll talk about both aspects of it. Now, for scripting, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or human writers can write the scripts. Okay, now for voiceover, you can use AI voice generators like 11 Labs and play.ht, or freelancers from Fiverr and Upwork can help you with that. Okay, now when it comes to video editing, you can use stock footage by Pixels or Pixabay or Storyblocks, or you can use AI tools like Runway ML or Pictory. This will help you to get your video editing right. Okay, now last but not the least in the content creation workflow is what we call the thumbnail design, and you will use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or AI tools like Midjourney. These tools will help with your content creation workflow, whether you are automating or you are outsourcing. So I talked about where to get your outsourcing and also where to get your automated tools that will work for you. So the third step in creating your faceless YouTube channel is what we call the SEO and uploading, and this can also be automated scheduling, and you can also optimize from there. Okay, so the first tool you will need are the tools for keyword optimization, and you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Back in the day, I used to use them. They are quite good, yeah. And then for automated uploads and scheduling, you can use YouTube Studio or Hootsuite, depending on what you prefer. And then for engagement, you can use AI tools for auto commenting and also replying your comments. And then for monetization is the 4th step in your faceless YouTube channel setup. For monetization, how can you monetize? How can you make money from your faceless YouTube channel? Now, the first thing to consider is what we call the YouTube partner program, the YouTube ad revenue, Google AdSense. And for you to qualify for that, you've got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify to display ads on your videos. Okay, now that's the first one. The second one is affiliate marketing. And for affiliate marketing, you can use Amazon or ClickBank or any other affiliate deals around. Okay, then the next one is sponsorships, brand deals. Brands can approach you to market their products for them in your video, and so that also fetches money. You can also sell digital products or courses depending on what your topic is about. You can create digital products and courses that your people can buy, that your audience can invest in. And last but not the least, you can do what we call channel memberships and super chats. These are ways to monetize your faceless YouTube channel. I hope this video helped. If it did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also share this video with a friend.